Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to accept input from a user, and we are going to run a simple program. I have already prepared the working space on VS Code, and we are going, and I have even opened the terminal for us to make the tutorial a bit simple. And in this case we are going to start by creating a variable called name, because we want to ask the user to provide us with his or her name. Then we are going to, in this case we are going to use another function that we have not learned so far, and in this case we are going to use the input function. In this case we are going to ask the user a question related to his or her name. What is your name? If we do not add a space here, if we leave it like that, we are going to have a problem, because at when we ask the user to provide us with his or her name, then we are not going to have a space in between the question and the name that the user will provide. So for that, to solve that problem, we are going to add a space here to address that problem. After the user provides us with his or her name, then we want to greet the user. So in this case we are going to add another line of code, and we are going to ask the user, how are you today? And we are going to understand, how are you today? And we are going to add the name at the end of the question. So when the user provides us with his or her name, then we are going to greet him by asking him or her, how is he or her today? So by now we are going to simply run the program by hitting the run button. The program is running. It is going to take a bit of time to generate us the output. The output will be here in the terminal. It's just about a few seconds, and it should be here by now. Yes, it has started generating the output for us, and here it is. So this is the space that I was talking about. If we didn't provide this space, then there would be no space here. So we have asked the user to provide with us with his or her name, and maybe his name is Peter. Then the user hits enter, and our program will greet Peter. In our case, because we did not provide a space as I have indicated here, that's why we don't have a space in between. But if we were to add a space in between here, then the output, there would be a space like in this case. So that's how you ask the user to provide you with input, and that is how you accept input from a user. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.